Hey guys, my name is Max, and first of all I want to say that I really appreciate you tuning in for this product review. Now before I get right into the review, I want to talk about the 4 amazing bonuses that you will get if you decide to pick up this product through the second link down below in the description. Bonus number 1 is Done For You Social. This is a product that I have launched together with my partner James Renouve, and that has won the Deal of the Day award on Warrior Plus. And it is basically a done for you social media business in a box. Like, social media is super important. Everybody needs to run social media, but I know that most of the people out there cannot be bothered spending all this time to be active on social media. And this is when Done For You Social comes into play, because we have literally done 98% of the work for you. We give you done for you content, everything done for you, ready to post so that you can crush it online using social media. Bonus number 2 is AI Prodigy, which is yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with my launch partners Trevor Carr and Fergal Downs. And AI Prodigy allows you to have artificial intelligence run a highly profitable YouTube channel for you. So all the hassle that came with the traditional way of creating YouTube videos is now a story of the past. Now you can really have AI run a YouTube channel for you and make passive commissions. Bonus number 3 is Cash Prodigy, which is yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with Fergal Downs and Trevor Carr. And with this program, we will show you multiple ways of how you can make money online using artificial intelligence. Like, artificial intelligence is changing the game completely. It is the future. You can start making money online with artificial intelligence and build multiple online income streams starting today. Last but not least, with my bonus number 4, I will give you exclusive access to yet another award-winning program that I've launched together with Trevor Carr that shows you exactly step by step how you can sell high in-demand services that people want to buy on a daily basis without you having to have any skills yourself. This is amazing. This is how I got started online, and in this program I show you exactly what you need to do in order to be able to replicate my success. These 4 programs together are still selling on a daily basis, and they're everything you need to build multiple online income streams and be financially independent. And we're still selling these products on a daily basis, but if you grab this product through the second link in the description down below, then I will give you all of these 4 products on top for free, and you will get lifetime access. So once again, all you need to do is you need to grab this product through the second link in the description down below, and then all of the 4 award-winning programs will be delivered conveniently inside either your Warrior Plus, your JVZoo, or your ClickBank account. I also want to extend on an exclusive offer. If you want to elevate your online income, I have an exclusive opportunity for you. If you want to make it to $10,000 each and every single month, and you want the help and guidance of 3 super affiliates, then check out the first link down below in the description, because we have a free webinar training for you. So now make sure to like this video, because it helps me a ton with the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel for more Make Money Online content, and let's get right into this review.
Yo, what is going on, guys? ProMakerDev here, and I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're staying safe. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be teaching you how to make this pretty cool effect, this animate on scroll effect. So if I refresh the page, you can see that whenever I scroll, there are a bunch of divs that are gonna fade in different directions. This is from the left, and that's from that was from the right, and this is from the left, and that's just that zoomed in, and that zoom out, and that just fades. It fades in. So if you only know HTML and CSS and you're not pretty good at JavaScript, then that is not going to be a problem, because we're going to be implementing a library. So we're not going to be doing any JavaScript, like only one line, which is pretty easy, okay? So this is actually my project right here, and those are just divs. I hope that's not going to confuse you. I hope that you can actually make this. It's just a bunch of divs. I am div 1, I am div 2. And they don't really fade out because we haven't really implemented that library yet. So let's just go right into our text editor. So this is our HTML. Nothing crazy as always. It's just a container and a bunch of divs inside of it. So bunch of divs. I am div 1, div 2, div 3, all the way to div 6. And that's actually pretty much it. And this is the stylings. It's very, very easy. That's all I've got. So this is for the container and this is for the div. If you actually want to see that stylings, I'm just going to leave the source code down below in the description so that you can take a look at it. So now in order to implement that library, or in order to make those cool effects, I'm just going to go right here to the documentation. So it's actually very, very easy to implement. So this is the link. I'm just going to copy paste this to my HTML in the head. It's because it's actually a CSS file. So I'll just copy paste it, and then I'm going to copy this script and I'm going to put it down below in the bottom of the HTML, right above the body. So let me just tap that over like that. Now we have linked our HTML to the library. Now all we have to do is to go to each element or each div that we want to give it this animation and just give it this attribute. So this is the attribute. This is the div that this is just an example. So we go to the div and we give it this attribute. And let me just go to the second div and I'm just gonna paste the attribute. Space right there, and this is fade in. Now we have the option to change this into fade left, fade right, fade up, fade down. So I'm just gonna do fade left, and now if I went and take a look, let me just scroll all the way up. I implemented the thing in the second div, so when I scroll, it's just going to fade left. All right, so I can do the same thing for the other divs, and all I have to do is just change the left to right, and I'll go to the fourth div and I'll change this to up, and this is going to be fade down. Just to show you guys, there are a lot of you're gonna find everything in the documentation, all of the other options that you have. There are pretty much, okay, let me just show them to you. So this is, where are they? I'm just gonna scroll all the way down, and this is the animations that you can actually implement. So this is fade up, fade down, fade left, right, up right, and up left. There's also this flip. I'm just gonna implement this real quick because flip up, okay? Well, I have to data AOS equals 2, and then fade flip up. And if I went and refreshed, fourth div, wait, oh, there you go. That's that's the sixth. Okay. So as I told you before, guys, you have a lot of options. There's also this zoom in that you can use. I will change the fade down, and I'm gonna use this zoom in, and that's, I believe it's the fifth. Okay, that's it. So you can actually see when I scroll, it actually fades very, very fast. All right, it does the animation like in a very short amount of time, and the default duration is actually 0.4 seconds. It's 400 milliseconds. All right, so you can actually change this. All you have to do is you've got those options right here, and you want to go to data iOS duration, and you can set it to 100 milliseconds, which basically means 1 second. So you want to go to, let's see, the second div, and you can just paste the duration, change it to 100. This is 100 milliseconds. You can change this to whatever number you want. Just know that it's that the unit is actually milliseconds. It's not 1 second. So now the second div is going to kind of slow down a little bit, not like the others. You can see that the others are pretty fast, but it's the second div is just very smooth. You also have other options. You've got offsets and delay. You can give it a delay. There's duration, easing, and mirror, and once, and anchor. But the most important ones are once and probably duration and maybe delay as well. The rest is not that useful for me, at least. So I'm just going to show you how once works. So basically, you can see that when I scroll down, it actually makes the animation, and then when I scroll up and then go down again, it's going to make another animation. So it's just going to do that infinitely. Now, you can actually change this by setting this once it's actually set to false, but you can actually set it to true, and it's going to make the animation once. Now I'm just going to copy this and paste it in my div as always, like this, and just change false to true. So it actually does it only one time. And when I refresh, I scroll down, it gives me this pretty cool animation. And then when I scroll up, it's not going to fade away. All right, it's just going to do it once. Unlike the others do it infinitely, but this second div, because we gave it this parameter, it actually changed. Now the thing is, you don't want to go up to each element or each div and give it this attribute, because this is going to be a lot of work. If you have a lot of divs, you're going to go to each element, and then you just want to give it this attribute, change the duration, change the offset maybe. So actually there is another way, very easy, which is you want to go all the way down to the scripts right here, and you see that this is an object. Well, this is actually a method. So you want to open up curly brackets, and right here, all you have to do is write the duration, for example, and just change it to, I don't know, like 3,000 milliseconds. Okay. Notice that this is actually not an equal sign. So this is actually pretty much it. So all you have to do is refresh. Now, what it's actually going to do is change the duration to all of the divs that you have in the HTML. So now if I were to scroll down, it's going to change the duration to all of them. Now, there are also some other parameters, some settings, so offset, delay, duration, easing, those are the default ones, all right? So you can change the false to true, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, notice that you're not going to put data AOS, because this is actually not an attribute. This is an object, all right? So that's it. So let me just change the once to true. So I'll just copy this and go right here, comma, and then once set it to true, and then go and refresh, and yeah, it just changed. It's only doing it once, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty easy, right? I believe it's actually so much easy. It's going to make your life so much easier. So that's the end of the video, guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, because it helps me. If you like it, really, seriously, just give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. All right, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.